In this video, I'll show you the best 3 Excel shortcuts that can save your time. First is AutoSum. Simply select all the numbers along with the column and row cell. Now press Alt plus equals, and your total will be calculated automatically. Second is Flash Fill. Just type the first value and press Enter. Then press Ctrl plus E. Your remaining text will be filled automatically based on the pattern. Third is Slicer. Select your data and press Ctrl plus T to convert it into a table. Now go to the Table Design tab. In the ribbon on the left side, click Insert Slicer. Choose any column. Now you can easily filter your data visually. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more helpful Excel tips and videos.